I'm going to take this video to show how to replace a black ice diverter valve for a Canadian Spa Company hot tub. This valve here controls which section of the tub will receive the pressure. When you're doing this, you want to make sure you power down your spa first, otherwise water will start shooting all over the place. You want to find your valve, and you want to grab the outside here, and you want to unscrew. Okay, unscrew this outside piece. If you get stuck, you can grab a cloth or gloves or something to help to grip it a little easier and spin. And this whole outside piece you'll unscrew and pull out. Okay, this is your diverter valve. You want to look down, make sure there's nothing, no obstructions or anything stuck inside of here, and make sure your O-ring is in place. Okay, grab your new valve, line it back up in, and then clockwise rotate to tighten it down. Again, the outside piece is what you want to be turning. It's get to a point where that's all it's going to be turning. It's going to get a little tough. You want to put this on really tight. So if you can't do it anymore by hand, grab a glove, a cloth, something else to grip, and then tighten it in as best you can. And then now this has been set and done.